This is a instructional video on how to make an Ethernet cable. First thing that you would want to do is cut off the amount of cord that you will be wanting to use, like so. Then you use this tool to strip off the black cover or the blue cover, the wires. You just clip it on and spin it around a few times, and then it should just come right apart. After this, you will want to straighten out all the wires and untwist them. And there's 4 wires, but they each need to be cut in half. There's a striped orange one and a solid orange one, a striped blue one, solid blue, striped green, solid green, and striped brown, solid brown. So right now he's untwisting them, about ready to split them in half. So there will be 8 separate wires. Scabby dabby doo bah. And you want to straighten them out together in a specific order, and the order is stripe orange, solid orange, stripe green, solid blue, stripe blue, solid green, stripe brown, solid brown. Once you have them separated, you need to get a clip, place the clip down, and slide the wires so that they are all the way through to the metal plating at the end of the clip, so they have good connection. And then you want to use the crimper and crimp the clip down so it stays in place, and then the cord will be done.